Hi everyone, good afternoon. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're going to do another unboxing. Mabunala na jud ko ni ba na ani, sige na lang jud ko palit. So this is last na jud ni. So we do another unboxing. It's a bag. You have guessed it right. So let me just concentrate opening this box and I get back to you. We are almost there. Struggle is real, dash. So there you are. We have opened the box. So this is how it looks like. So let's see. Mask. To my pre-lab. There is pre-lab is a mask. And then here is the two items. So let me just move that. So this is the two items. I have this bag and I have a wallet. So let's start with the wallet. This is, my god, mabulan to ni Pana. Sa ingang tagpalit ani. So the first one, I don't know what is this. What is the name of this wallet? So this is how it looks like. I need to clean them. So it's a black one, and I know if there is problem here is the tear. This is the only the tear, but otherwise it's a clean one. Like I said, I need to clean it. It looks like that. Oh guys, this is a pre-lab, so it has like that there, and then here you can put the coin. So it's actually look very good. The outside or the outside of the bag, I don't know the term, so that's how it looks like. It's a black one. And then let's go to the one I am mostly excited. So this is how it's the bag. I forgot the name of this bag. I'm going to put it on the title of this video. I think this is the Maple Drive, Louis Vuitton Maple Drive bag. So comment below guys if you know the name of this bag. So this is how it looks like. Let's unbox it together. Oh my g, oh my g, oh my g. This is actually very rare. I think this is vintage, I'm not sure. So oh my g, oh my g, it's cute. I know there is some discoloration of this bag, but my god, look at this. This is light yellow or baby yellow. That's how it looks like. So this is the stain, and at the back there is a little stain, but very minimal. The handle, she gave me also a pre-hand twilly because of how it is in the handle. So I want to check it. There's another tear on it, or I want to check it first guys. Actually it's not really bad at all, since I have been buying pre-lab, so I know I'm not really like strict when it comes to wear and tear, as long as it's listed or she said it. So I will not be shocked when I get the bag. But so far actually I don't mind. I don't need to use the twilly, but she put a twilly, and my goodness, okay, it's a bit dirty inside. I need to clean it. This is how it looks like. It's a bit dirty, but I can clean it, no problem with that. But the overall here, it's a little bit tear in the side, but very minimal actually. So the most important for me is the outside look. Oh my god, it's actually very cute. It suits my outfit of the day. I cannot, yeah, I can wear like this, but it's a bit awkward, so it's mostly handheld bag. And it's perfect now because it's summer here in Sweden, so I can start wearing it. I actually want to clean it before I put on some of the stuff what fits inside. I think this is, oh my god, I cannot. This is my, if you look at the length, this is my current bag, the croissant. So the croissant is a little bit bigger, very small one. I think this could be 23-25 centimeter. Oh my god, it looks so cute actually. Like I said, I need to clean it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. My new addition to my bag family. I just really need to clean it because it's actually dirty inside. Yes, I really need to clean it. Let me check a little bit, guys. Okay, I cannot pull back the material inside. I was thinking I can wash it, but I can fix that one. It has a D-ring inside here, as you can see there. So far, let me start putting stuff inside, even it's not clean. So well, if we can put the one, this is the mask, so we can put inside book. So it looks like that. Water bottle, you can even put it, I think you need to, it cannot stand because then it will, you cannot close the bag. So you can pull it like that. And then I have my agenda. This is the PM size, and it's still, you can fit a lot. So that is the example. Let me see if I can close it. It has a knap closure. Wait, see, it's still, oh, and it looks nice. I like it. I actually like it. Okay, we'll see if I'm going to like this new bag of mine. And it has print Louis Vuitton there and here, and also it's the same on this side. And look at this, it's very good. You can put it here, but it's a bit awkward, so it will be, like I said earlier, it will be handheld. The bottom is a bit dirty. I need to find out how to clean this kind of material, the vernish. So that's how it looks like, but I got it in a very reasonable price, so I don't complain. But like I said, it needs some cleaning. So anyway, guys, that's it for this unboxing and a little bit what fits inside in this Louis Vuitton maple dry bag. Comment below if it's the right name of this bag. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and please do share, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.